So what's in here? Is this where I'll find all your
ledger?
That's where I'll find all your underground black market satellite.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
Marv, my father is a secret agent for the underground.
Yeah.
I'll tell you this.
There's all kinds of judges and policemen that have these pirate cards now. There's a guy I work with.
Why does it have the UNU? Marv, let's see you take off your shirt.
You guys are unusually active tonight. What are you up to?
Unusually active.
Marv, you don't really know what you're messing with, do you?
No, but what's going on? Who's Americans?
Banks down.
Oh no, it's a friend from California.
Oh, no, Washington.
No, they flew into Dallas.
Was that a rented car?
Yeah.
Cadillac,
Right. How much they charge? You know they charge the rent on that?
Marv.
Yeah. You got me doing it at home already.
No, he's doing it.
Right.
No, Marv, you say it like this. You know, you're like, hey, how's it going, eh?
I gotta put something like that in for your grandmother outside to the pool.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. Jesus, that's a big frame.
Hand built.
Who made those?
The guy who built the bar. I can get him to build you some more if you want.
Yeah. No. But I do work like that. I mean,
You couldn't build these.
Marv, you're getting built.
That one's still in there, the swivel?
Go take a look at that. I customized it.
You customized it?
Yep.
Marv.
What'd you do to it?
Chromed it.
Chromed it? Yeah, sure you chromed it. Wow.
I did.
Oh, it's up on the other wall now. You didn't chrome it.
No. Those are the porno rooms.
That's where we film our
Pornos.
with hookers.
I haven't seen a hooker here yet. All I do is hear about it.
I don't know, there's a couple coming out at about 9 if you can come back after you've done at Wentworth's.
Wentworth's.
You already didn't fill that drink stuff.
There's only two?
Two what?
For how many?
Two what?
Two of them for 10 guys or something?
Hookers, no, you usually
Oh
get,
yeah.
Huh?
You usually
Better
get.
sit down so you don't spill.
Okay, Marv, you're doing it at home, you're saying.
Come on, what's the latest joke?
Okay.
Your mama.
No, never mind my mom.
Marv.
He's gone.
Marv, your wife says I'm like a submarine. I'm long, hard, and full of steam.
Yeah. God.
At least that's what your wife told me.
God damn it.
Why does your wife think I'm a nut?
Hey?
Why does your wife think I'm a nut?
Well, wouldn't you if you heard somebody come on the phone and say, Jesus Christ.
Marv, have you ever had a sexual encounter with a man before?
What?
Marv,
Hey Marv.
Hi.
Marv.
this is Fred's cousin Dustin.
Right, how come
He knows me, Scott.
He was at the campfire.
Hey?
He was at the campfire.
Oh, shit, were you down there that night?
What, can you Shanghai you bitch?
Shanghai. I had to crawl up the bloody mountain there.
How's it going, Marv?
It was just like a top going round and round and round.
Me and my buddies put on these hats.
No.
Just
You'll mess my hair up for Christ's sake. Holy shit.
Looks good though.
Looks good on you.
Looks good.
Terrible.
You fucking dickhead.
Hey, Westwood's going to bed. I gotta get going.
It's only 7:45. He's not going to bed.
He's going to bed at 8 o'clock.
No,
I'll bring him his card.
I'll phone him. Don't go.
Don't go.
He's gotta go and put his card in.
I don't think you understand. You're on hard time now.
Oops.
Oh, you're trying to escape. Just
Pants is rolled down.
Yeah,
Marv, it's probably your belt up.
I'm losing weight.
Alright?
Yeah.
I know you look.
Yeah, you
a
do
lot
look
thinner
thinner.
since last time we
I
Shanghai.
lost 30 pounds the last month.
Not that much. Marv.
Yep.
Let's see your wanker.
Never mind.
Well, let's see
Losing
your
weight
willy.
there.
Oh. That's not what your wife told me.
Wanna die young?
Oh god, BCIP.
Don't spill the drink.
Oh, Christ.
No, you gotta drink the rest of it.
No, I gotta give you your card. Gotta get it working. Does anybody have to?
No. Yeah, go up there. You go up there. That guy's still up there. Yeah. They're from California.
Okay, I'm still in California. Okay, Fred, we got some pretty good footage of Marv there.